like how it is thin, then it get darker. When I was a teenager, it's too black and it's too, like this, because I don't know how to pluck. So it's too wide in here and it's too black, as if I'm not a girl anymore, you know? But when things go far, when things go far, thick and bushy, yeah, you're correct. In the long run, it becomes like this. I've realized that when you're getting older, it will become thin and not so thick and bushy. That's what Dragon says.